White Oak Capital Mutual Fund has announced a significant investor-friendly initiative of removing the exit load from fresh investments. So exit load is a fee charged when you withdraw your mutual fund investments before a specified period. The specified period is different for different mutual funds. Some mutual funds may have a specified period of 1 year. Some may also have a specified period of 6 months, before which if you withdraw your investments, you will charged with an exit load. Now, why is this exit load charged? If the investors keep withdrawing frequently from the fund, it is very difficult for the fund manager to manage the portfolio. Therefore, the only objective of this charge is to restrain the investors from an early exit from the mutual fund. Each fund has its own rule for charging this. The percentage of exit load is not same for all mutual funds. For example, a fund may have an exit load of 1% if you redeem your investments within a period of 1 year. Typically, the percentage of exit load varies from 0.5% to 2%. This exit load is charged by the AMC, that is Asset Management Company. For example, SBI Mutual Fund or HDFC Mutual Fund. The AMC does not keep this money as profits. It is added back to the fund's corpus so that the investors who have stayed invested longer with the mutual fund get benefited with it. Suppose if your investment value is 10 lakhs and the percentage of exit load is 1%, then the exit load charge is 10,000. If you redeem your investments before the specified period, you will receive only 9,90,000 rupees. Therefore, your profit gets reduced. So before investing in any mutual fund, do not just check for the returns the fund has generated during the past years. Also check for the holding period, the fund strategy and the exit load. And all this information is given in the scheme related documents. And that is why the investors are always told, read all the scheme related documents carefully before investing.